So guys, welcome to Trivandrum, capital city of Kerala. I just reached Trivandrum airport and I'm waiting for my luggage. So yeah. So guys, I reached Thiruvananthapuram. That's the capital city of Kerala. And the south of India, so it's a beautiful place. If you have seen my Wayanad video, you know how beautiful Kerala is. Check out how green this place is. Like usually it's really hot, but now since it rained, the climate looks amazing. You can see a lot of coconut trees in Kerala. I came very late yesterday night, so I slept like half of the day. So I slept till afternoon. So that's why I look a bit tired, but yeah. So I'll be here for a week and I will show you around Thiruvananthapuram. It's an awesome place and it's the capital city of Kerala. So let's go check it out. I was about to go out, but it quickly started raining. Check it out, the sky looks... The place looks really dark and oh my god, it's a thunderstorm. I'm just waiting for the rain to get over. So hopefully, fingers crossed, hopefully it will get over and we can go out and check the place. Alright, so still raining. Look who is here. Guys, quickly I just wanted to show you our cats. I'm at home right now and check this out. There's one pet cat which my mom used to give food. He's so friendly, see? He's so friendly. I don't want to touch it because it's a stray cat, but still it's so friendly. And some days there'll be like 4 or 5 or 6 cats. I don't know where they come from, but they'll be like literally all over here. Alright, so guys, my plan is to go out and probably visit Kovalam. Kovalam is a very famous place in Trivandrum, so our first destination will be Kovalam. So let's go check Kovalam out. I told you like there are like 5 or 6 cats around this area, but right now 2 of them came. Oh, check it out. Now there's like 2 cats. Both act. So basically, one rule about driving in India is that there is no rule. Like, you can literally see how close that car is to me. Oh my god, there's like 2 horses. That is so cool. You just saw 2 freaking horses in the middle of the road. Only in India, guys. It's so scary to drive by holding the camera. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep the camera away and maybe take the camera once I reach the destination. So yeah, so that's a little bit of a sneak peek of Indian driving. So yeah, I'll get back to you guys. I don't know why this guy is standing in the middle of the road. Guys, check out this bus. It's like this close to my car. It's so crazy to drive in India, but it's an experience. If you get a chance to drive in India, just try it. It's really awesome, guys. It's actually really cool to drive in India because you never know what you will be watching in the middle of the road. Like, it's literally like a JCB in the middle of the road. And there are a lot of coconut trees in India, like pretty much in especially in Kerala. Like, Kerala is very famous for its coconut trees, so you can literally see a lot of coconut trees around Kerala. These are the small rickshaws. Like in Thailand you will say like tuk-tuks. In India it's called auto rickshaw. So guys, I was on the way to Kovalam beach. So we are going to Kovalam beach, and on the way I just wanted to show you this place. This place looks amazing. It's like on the way to Kovalam. So I just dropped by this place just to show this view to you guys. So guys, we'll see the view. It's so beautiful. A drone shot of Kerala. Like literally everywhere you can see are coconut trees. Amazing, right? So let's go check out the beach. It's like, I think we have to go like 2 kilometers more to just reach the beach. That was cool. That was nice. So yeah, let's go check out the beach. I just reached Kovalam.